How's the taste?
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are going to be making overload Buko Pandan. This is not your regular Buko Pandan. This is going to be crazier, thicker, more flavorful. Everything about this is going to be raised to the next level. If you've never heard of Buko Pandan, Buko means coconut in Tagalog, and Pandan is an Asian leaf often seen in desserts. You boil it and you have this amazing deep vanilla flavor. It's not exactly like vanilla. If you never try it, you got it. Buko Pandan is usually like this really creamy consistency, but this time we're gonna add a little twist. This recipe is really easy to make. Here are some of our ingredients. Let's get started. First step is we gotta make our gulaman, or our jelly. Boil 2.5 cups of water. Add 21 grams of gelatin, 2 packs of sugar, and since this is a Buko Pandan overload, we're also gonna add pandan leaves. After about 5 minutes, we can take it off the heat. Remove the pandan and add to our mold. Now we're gonna add our pandan flavoring. You can find this at any Asian market. Let's put this in the ref to set. Now we're gonna make our cigar. Cigar are like tiny little bobas packed with flavor. We're gonna add a pandan leaf, boil that. Once our water is boiling, we can add our cigar. We're gonna put this on medium-low and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn it off and let the cigar rest. Just for even more pandan flavoring, we're gonna add some of this to our cigar. Now we're gonna make our cake. This is gonna be the base that our Buko Pandan is gonna sit on. You don't need something fancy. This is something that I just picked up at the dollar store. 6 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget your pandan flavoring. Look at that green color. Add our dry ingredients. Let's add our cake mix to the tray. We're gonna put our pandan cake in a 325-degree oven for 30 minutes. In about 30 minutes, let's take it out. Oh, look at that green! Let's set this aside to cool down. Our cigar has cooled down, now we can strain it. Wow, look at that green color. Okay, let's just put it like that so it can drip and all the water will be gone. Okay, our pandan gulaman is set. Look at that. Boing, 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 boing. Nice and bouncy. Let's just cut it up. Now we're gonna make the cream part of the Buko Pandan. This is where there's a big twist. 3 cups of cream, 6 tablespoons of condensed milk, and of course our pandan flavoring. Now you can either do this by hand, but we're gonna whip this in a blender. It's gonna be really easy. Look how thick that's getting. Perfect. It's getting thick. Oh, it's thick. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, it's finally time to combine all of our ingredients. We got our whipped pandan cream, pandan gulaman. Here we got young coconut. You can either find this fresh or even in a can. We got our pandan cigar, nata de coco. This is like a coconut jelly but has a really interesting texture that's really good. Now this is optional, but in the Philippines, we usually have cheese in our dessert. Try it if you've never had it before. First, we're gonna add a couple of spoons of our cream. Let's add our gulaman, some buko, our cigar, nata de coco, and our cheese. Now we're gonna carefully fold all of our mixture. If we mix too much, that's gonna be bad. It's not gonna be as whipped. Wow, look at that. So strong a pandan. Now we're gonna put this in the freezer to chill. So our beautiful pandan cake is cool. Now we can cut out the shape for our base. I'm just gonna take a bowl, place it on top, and cut. Now we're gonna cut this in half. Listen to how moist this cake is. Last thing we're gonna make is a pandan sauce. I'm just gonna take some white chocolate syrup and pandan flavoring. Okay guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Look at this. It's been chilled for about 1 hour. Look at that. Now we're gonna top our pandan cake with our Buko Pandan. Oh my gosh. Here we go, here we go. Now we're gonna add our pandan sauce. And then for the garnish on top, coconut flakes. And there you have it, overloaded Buko Pandan cake. Oh my gosh, look at that, so much green. The smell of pandan is just overwhelming. Looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Now, it doesn't matter how's the look. What matters is how's the taste. All right, let's try. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Overload. Too much pandan? No. There's an explosion of pandan. Wow. You got the gulaman, you got the cream, the buko, coconut flakes. So much is happening. And then you got the cake on the bottom. Really, really moist. That cake is like a sponge to absorb all that flavor. It's really good. I want to try some of that nata. You have to have this dessert cold. It is so refreshing. Even though I was in the kitchen all day trying to fix this, one bite and it's like, oh, I feel so cool right now. Look at how creamy that is. And you got the cigar that's cooked in the pandan. It's like little balls of explosion. It's really good. Not too sweet. It's really nice dessert. Really refreshing. Really, really nice. Wow, I like it.
It's new to me seeing it with cake, so... Oh, it's really moist. The cake is really moist. It tastes really pandan. It's really overload pandan. The nata is like exploding in my mouth. Like,
Yeah, the nata is really good with Buko Pandan.
I like the combination. The gulaman and the cake is like refreshing. Like I feel I can finish all of this, but I won't. This is perfect though.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. I really like this recipe. I love pandan, and that's one of my favorite flavors. Anyway guys, thank you so much for all your support. See you in the next video. Bye!